feeding the swans in Richmond. They're ever so lovely. Hello, Swan. Do you want some more food? Let me go and get the food. Yeah, I'm going to give them the food. Come on, swans. Here, swans. Here. Here, swans. Wow, that's nice, isn't it? Oh, they're coming out. Do they bite? Don't lie. Hello, little duck. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. I've never seen them so close up. Oh, go feed them a bit more. Hello, swans. Hello. You want food? Here. Here. Wow. It's Andicat and the birds. God. Oh my god, that one's getting a bit funny, this one. Oh my god, I'm inches away from them. Aren't they so sweet? Oh, they want more food. They're so greedy. Yeah, don't follow me, ducks. Huh? Don't overfeed them. Wait a minute. Let's give them some more food. This is lovely. Hello, swan. Don't bite me. Oh, you lovely swan. It's come out the water now to eat. Hey, what's that? Oh, it's a willow tree. Sorry, pigeons, you're not getting any. Are they? Oh, actually. Are those cygnets, those little ones? Oh, they're so lovely. I'm going to run away in a minute to come any closer. And they're this close. Hey, swans. Hello. Right. Oh, fantastic. And the view's lovely too. This is somewhere in Richmond. It's not the actual park, I don't think. Ashley, is this Richmond Park? Ash? What is it? Hey? Oh, I don't know what he's saying. It's not Richmond Park though. Anyway, okay, Swan, I think you've had enough. You lovely swans who love each other. How sweet. Yeah? Yeah, I'm talking to the birds. I must have gone crazy. Look, they want more food. I'm going to have to give them more food. I know. Yeah, this is the food. I have to give them some more food. I know, the swans have even come out of the lake. Here we go, swans. Hey, you want food? Oh, it nearly bit me. Oh my god, it's not run away from my screaming either. Oh. Tell me which... Blimey, what do you mean the birds are like... The boyfriend... I don't have so many I haven't got any boyfriends, I only got one. And... Hello, swans. Oh, Swan's chasing me now for the food. They better not blinking bite. Well, that's geese that bite, isn't it? Oh, that's a gorgeous thing, whatever it is. Duck. Oh my god. This... I'm going to have to back away from this swan. She's come right out of the lake, or he. I'm not a very good naturist, am I? Okay, bye swans. They're getting a little bit scary now, coming too close to me. What, should I feed them some more? I better do. There won't be any food left in here. Shut up. Oh! It picked me! It picked my skirt! It did! It picked my skirt! That's it. That's it now. I'm going. Look, look. Did you see what she did? Why did she do that? It's chasing me now. Here, I'll give you some more. Look, stay away from me, you vicious swan.